As with all sponsored videos, I like to let you know what you're watching, and so with that, this video is sponsored by Blink to showcase their XT2 home security and monitoring camera system, which actually holds some pretty impressive claims, like 2 full years of battery life with just 2 AA batteries. So why would you want battery-powered cameras? Well, there are no wires to run, you just mount them wherever you want and that's pretty much it. You can mount them anywhere within Wi-Fi range, you can even mount them inside or outside since they're IP65 rated, which means they can withstand good old British weather. You can say talk to your pets while you're at work using the click-to-speak audio, something I know people who actually do that, like seriously. Also, or more likely for me anyway, you can use it to talk to your delivery driver who's dropping off all of your Black Friday purchases while you're not at home so that nothing goes missing. The nice thing about Blink is that you get a video notification clip sent straight to your phone so that you can instantly know what's going on at home and take action, for example like this. Oh. Hello?
Oh, I've got some parcels for you.
Yeah, sure. Can you leave them in the back?
Oh, sure.
Great, thanks. Of course, there's more to these than just a delivery man cam. The most interesting one for me is probably the motion sensor on the front and the ability in the app to change the motion sensing zones so that it will detect when someone opens your back gate, for example, but not necessarily record every time you walk by the window that happens to be in frame. And this works at night as well with the infrared lighting that lets you make out pretty much anything, no matter how bright or dim it is. Everything is kept in secure cloud storage and is surprisingly free, with up to 7,200 seconds of your clips stored there. You can also auto-delete clips that are older than a day, a week, 2 weeks, or a year, depending on how many clips you have saved. As you'd expect, setting all this up is pretty easy. There's a free Android and iOS app you can use to do so. All you do is let the phone scan the QR code on the back of the hub that's included, and then do the same for the cameras, mount the cameras wherever you want, and then you're pretty much good to go. They aren't too pricey either, £180 for this dual camera kit, which comes with everything you need to use them, including batteries for the cameras and screws to mount them, and there's no monthly fees or installation costs, so that's all you need to pay. They might be a great addition to your Black Friday basket this year, especially since they're going to be on offer, so if you want to check them out, take a look at the top link in the description down below. So thank you to Blink for sponsoring this video, and thank you to you guys for sticking around. If you want to check out the Blink XT2 cameras, like I said, there's a link in the description down below, and if you've got any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments down below that too. You can also check out more videos over there if you want to keep watching, and of course make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon to be notified of those new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and there's a load of links in the description down below if you want to support the channel too, including Patreon for supporting me directly but getting cool rewards for doing so, or even stuff like merch for hoodies or t-shirts like this one. Otherwise, that is pretty much it. Like I said, if you've got any questions, leave those in the comments down below, and we'll see you all in the next video.